Today we're going to make the part 2 of our custom-made Masters of the Universe action figure Tila, and now we will be proceeding in painting already. One of the most exciting and challenging part of any customization project. So if you're new to this channel, guys, please support this small channel po by hitting that like and subscribe button. Expired na ata itong ating spray paint. Sayang naman. I think it's expired already. Oh no. Oh, it's scary. Hindi kaya sumabog to. Kahit itong second can, ayaw na rin mag-function na maayos. And so we ran quick dito sa Wilcon Depot to buy new paint. It's a blessing in disguise actually. This is the right color. Hope everything goes well. So while watching, guys, please support this small channel by hitting that like and subscribe button. And thank you very much for making it this far. almost there. Pati na lang natin itong mga paraphernalia. And then itong mga straps niya. Kulayan natin ng maroon brown. And then what else? Itong belt, buckle. Tapos nagpa-print tayo ng decals para sa mata. And we are still working on the gun na ipapasok natin dito sa holster. But so far, I'm happy with the result. Ayusin na lang natin yung mga straps niya, leather straps. Lagyan natin ng maroon and then konting retouch. We're almost there. Now let's do this backdrop for our Masters of the Universe Tila action figure. And using AI, this is a lot easier. It can clean up the box and then you can replace it with anything that you want. Sobrang galing ng AI ngayon. Very handy. So we printed this backdrop for our Masters of the Universe 2026 Tila. And hopefully this will add up some icing on the cake dito sa ating action figure na isasali natin sa contest. Okay, so we're still not done with our project and maybe we'll continue this on part 3. Kulayan natin to ng maroon brown yung kanyang mga leather straps, and then we printed some decals for the eyes, otherwise we cannot be able to paint that. Very tiny. I hope mag-work ang decals and you can see that on part 3 of this video. So this is how this figure is going to be displayed. Yung kanyang clamp packaging ay nasa backdrop lang for reference. So if you've made it this far, thank you very much for watching, and again, support this channel by hitting that like and subscribe button.